We are taken aback and saddened by the blunt inclination and rebellious stance of the governor of Rivers State against the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the explicit judgment of the highest courts in Nigeria. We believe that it is a major paradox and aberration for the governor to be the major lawbreaker of the laws of our land. The situation in Rivers State is totally different. Ours is another example of flagrant disobedience of the Supreme Court judgment. What we are seeing is repugnant to the provisions of the Constitution. In Rivers State, the state government is busy promoting illegal caretaker committees by encouraging the illegal caretaker committee chairmen and members to parade themselves as head of the local government administrations in the 23 local government areas. The extent to which the governor of Rivers State is disobeying court orders and even tagging decisions of superior judicial bodies as unconstitutional is alarming. To this end, we call on the law enforcement agencies to swing into action and salvage the situation, lest the acts of the governor and threats of caretaker committee chairmen tear the state apart.
The governor of Rivers State has continued to act as if the state is a pariah state. And what we are saying, the essence of this press conference, we are not cowards. If this continues, we will go back to our local government and force ourselves into the council. That's exactly what we have kept quiet because of the kind of leader we have, who continues from time to time to preach the path of peace. We are not cowards. We are still the same ones that got him elected into that office as governor when his local government produced less than 5,000 votes. Okay. So that's what we are saying. If this continues, we will exacerbate the already exacerbated situation. We are not cowards.
Inform the authorities that it's been alleged that the governor has directed that the illegal caretaker committee members should form vigilante groups. And I have confirmed in my local government that there are attempts to form vigilante groups. In fact, they have begun to recruit them. I also am aware that they claim they have sent the names to the police for profiling. I don't want to believe, just like my colleagues will not believe, that the police will delve into such illegality. That's why we are getting the public informed that you're talking about anarchy. These men are preparing for anarchy. And we will fold our hands and let such criminals to take us unawares. Because if they are continuing in this, perpetrating criminality, then they are criminals. Because if the highest, ranking court of the land has declared them illegal and they still continue to function, then it means they are criminals. So if nothing is being done, the anarchy that people are running away from is already with us. Exactly. It's already here. So we want to, inform the authorities that we are not cowards. We are also prepared. We have majority of the people. Forget about all this movement here and there. We have the majority of the people. We have the mandate to do. And now that the law has extended it, calling on us that there is a gap. It's only democratically elected people that can fill that gap if you check the constitution. So why asking the question whether people are there or not? No other person can be authorized to do so. And because we are elected, the assembly, which are the people who make the law, have also drawn inference from the constitution to say we can come back. And until that time comes, then they will know. We are not afraid of anything. But when you're talking about anarchy, they are calling for anarchy and they are prepared for it. It's obvious that the governor, it seems like somebody who is not interested in leadership, who is not interested in governing and bringing peace. So we will make sure that as we brought him in there, God will also take him out.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
We are ready.
Thank you. Do you suspect or fear? Are you worried that there may be an ongoing attempt to, let's say, victimize or withhold?
We are there.
It's going on. It's going on. That's why we are.
Yes.
It's going on. They are acquiring illegal arms. It's going on. That's why we are alerting the public. You see, when the police and the security agents that are vested with the power to maintain law and order fail us,
visit the house he is building at OGRA. We are aware.
not just one.
We will also, you see, the difficulty in this whole thing is when two brothers fight. We know each other. What he knows, we know. Because we weren't fighting before. So as he attacks any of our properties, we will come after his own properties. We know them.
Seconds, he won't go and attack it.